All right. Well, welcome back. I hope you guys had an eventful spring break. I just wanted to do a quick overview of kind of our expectations for our new normal, which is distance learning. And so, to begin, I found this quote and it says, "Whatever you lack, I got. We'll balance each other out. Minor setback, guess what? We'll make a major comeback. You need support? I'll be your backbone. I'll keep you motivated and at the top always. As long as you appreciate me and remain consistent, you don't ever have to doubt my loyalty. You got me, I got us. We are a team." And so I know that this is all kind of different and it's all kind of new. It's new for everyone. Your teachers are also going through very similar things that you are. Um, and so I want you guys to know that you can talk to us about anything. And so if you have any concerns throughout this whole new distance learning, or you need help, or you need anything at all, please email us, contact us. Um, we're here for you. I know it's not the same way that we're used to, but we are still here. So to get started, math with our distant learning, I always say this, that when something's new, it's uncomfortable, and um, it's new for us. So keep in mind that we are going through it too. And it's going to be a lot of like us working together to get through this. And so we're going to become masters at it, but it's going to take some time to get used to. And so that's okay. It's going to be uncomfortable. And I want you to know that you're not alone there. Um, If something is not working, I need you to contact me. So if my ClassKick isn't working, if my videos aren't working, if anything is not working at all, I need you guys to contact me because I can't see it from your end. And so I'm going to be on my computer, I'll be around my email, and so I need you guys to contact me as soon as you realize it's not working. On top of that, if you're confused about an assignment, what the expectations are for that assignment, I want you to know that you'll also need to contact me. If you aren't understanding material, contact me. I hope you guys are seeing a pattern here that when in doubt, contact me. Um, like I said, I'm always here for you guys. That has not changed, even though we're working through a computer and I can't always see your guys' faces. Um, like I said, I will be available through email. And so I believe the district has said that from 9 to 11, I'm at my computer, and then from 1 to 2:30, I will be at my computer. I will most likely be at my computer the whole day, like the whole school day. And so um, please, if something isn't working or you need help or anything, contact me. I should get back to you pretty quickly because I will be near my computer. Um, on top of that, I will also be doing conferences either in Schoology or Zoom. And so, Schoology, if you were there our last Friday together, we practiced that. I will email you guys and post on Schoology when I'm starting a conference and where that conference will be located. Because I have many different math classes and I teach two different math subjects, um, I most likely will be doing a conference through our interdisciplinary hub, just so all of my students can reach me at the same time and I don't have to section off times for you guys because I know that you guys are all working through all of your classes um, together and all throughout the day. And so I don't know your schedule and how you guys are planning to do it. So most likely if I do a conference, it'll be in the interdisciplinary hub. But like I said, I'll post and email you guys where to look. Um, as for Zoom conference, um, this is a link that I send out in the video, and it's very similar to the Schoology conference. And so I might be using that as well and just sending out those. That would also be a way for if you need help, I can also send you that link and then we can talk face to face. But like I said, I will let you know what it is that I am doing. I'm still new to all of these things, and so we're going to work through it together. Because I'll be sending out so many emails and posting on Schoology, I need you guys to check the main page of Schoology for updates, for all of that. And I need you guys to also be checking your email. That needs to be open. And I need you guys to be aware that your teachers are going to be communicating through email, because that's going to be really our only way to communicate with you guys one-on-one unless we start a conference. So please be checking your emails. Another little FYI, your teachers are going to be on Dino throughout the day. And so because we're going to be on Dino throughout the day, keep in mind what we can see on your screens. Make sure it's school appropriate. Make sure you're doing what you're supposed to be doing. During that time, you are considered at school. And so you need to just be aware that your teachers can see your screens and can still block certain sites and stuff like that, because it's during school hours, even though you're not physically at school. So I do just want that to be on your radar as well. As for our daily expectations, because things have changed clearly, I'm going to post a video in our folder on Schoology. And so we're starting off in our chapter 7 and 8 folder still. Now, as we move through our curriculum, the folder is going to change. But we are actually not done with chapter 7 and 8 yet, even though we already took our test. And so I will be posting in there first, and all of the where we're going to be that day will be posted on our Wildcats slides for you guys. But in those folders on Schoology, I will have a video which will include our notes. So our notes will be in a video on Schoology. Please make sure that you heard that part. During the video notes, you're going to need to split screen your laptop. So you'll have half of it as the video and half of it needs to be our Classkick, which the link will also be in with the video. So it'll be all in the same folder for you. You'll click on the video, you will expand your screen, or you'll split your screen, and then you will need to go back to Schoology and click on that Classkick link to then pull that up. So my plan for the as of right now, we don't know if it will work. It might change, but as of right now is to use Classkick, which you guys have used. We used it in class. It was one of our stations. And so I can actually update those. So each day it'll actually be the exact same Classkick. And then I will just add new slides on and it'll update to your guys' computer. And so the new notes will be on those slides. So you'll just have to click through the slides to find our new section of notes. And so I don't actually know if you exit out, if it will make you form a new one or not. We'll figure that out together. But if you can try to not exit out of it, that would be awesome. You'll just have to hit refresh each day and then it will update my new slides onto there. But if you do exit out, no big deal. You'll just go back in. Like I said, I don't know if it will save your progress or what, but we'll figure that out when the time comes. Be patient. After the video notes, you'll have an assignment. It might be on Classkick, our first one is, or it could be on Big Ideas. So in the folder, it'll tell you what your homework is. There will be the notes folder, and then there will be the homework assignment folder, all within our big giant folder. Now, we also might have things like discussion board posts. We might have assignments on Schoology or Desmos or projects, all of those. So just because normally we do big ideas doesn't mean it's always going to be big ideas. So I do need you to make sure you click on that homework folder so that way you know what the homework assignment is for that day. It's also going to be posted on our website, our slides for our Wildcats, as well as our homework website that you guys all check all the time, I'm sure. I'm going to be taking attendance through Classkick, so this is for a grade. I do need you guys to actually fill out the notes on ClassKick. You can type, you can write, you can do whatever you need to do. But you need to participate on ClassKick, and that's how I'm going to take attendance as well as participation points. And then if your homework assignment is on ClassKick as well, then I will also take a grade for that one particular slide that is the homework. So that's kind of how it's going to go. You'll go in, you'll watch a video, split screen with ClassKick, do the notes, and then you'll do whatever the homework assignment is. That's how we're starting it off. If things need to change, they'll change, but I think that's kind of the direction I'm headed, just because I know that's kind of what we're familiar with. Please make sure you contact me. Please, I want to help. I'm here to help. It's my job to help. So make sure that you guys are contacting us and logging on to those conferences whenever I send them out if you need me. I don't want to not hear from you. I miss you guys. And so hopefully we can get through this together. All right, let's get started.